How to fix Telegram's connecting problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to check the internet connection that you have. Make sure it is stable and it is fast. And also you can check your mobile data or cellular data as well. So next what you can do is you can just go to the settings of your device and then scroll down and find the app. Tap on apps and then select on manage apps. After selecting on manage apps, you can just search for Telegram application on the search bar, or you can scroll down until you find the option of Telegram, then tap on it, and at the bottom of the screen you can see the option of clear data. Tap on that and then you can clear cache, select OK. So next what you can do is you can just go to Telegram application and re-sign into the account. If this does not solve the issue, then you can also go for checking up your Telegram accounts updates. So go for the Play Store application and then search for Telegram application on the search bar. Make sure it is updated to its latest version to avoid any sort of glitches, because a lot of times the update becomes a hindrance as well. After that, what you can do is you can just log out of the Telegram application by going into your Telegram application and then tap on your profile, scroll down and you can see the option of settings, then tap on three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen. There you can see the option of log out and then log in again. So this would help you solve the issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification. See you next time.